Man, South African banks are really struggling. And by South African banks, I don't mean Abo Absa, FNB, Capitec, and all of those. I mean Abo VPS, which was looted by politicians. Itala Bank is also struggling at the moment, and also Time Bank. Those are the three that I know, and also African Bank, which is owned by the state, the Reserve Bank, and all of that. So, South African banks are really struggling with VBS. They liquidated and people lost a lot of money. Abokoko lost a whole lot of money, and now it's Itala Bank, which was meant to be liquidated in January. And people were scared, obviously, because you put all your wealth in a bank and now you're about to lose it all. That's why I say never put all your money in a bank. You need to really diversify your portfolio. Put it in stocks and bonds, and especially gold. Gold is the number one storer of value. So Itala Bank was going to get liquidated, and that's the thing. Banks cannot really be your friend. You cannot really store all your value inside banks, because even Jacob Zuma had a problem with FNB in 2024. They closed his bank account. So you can see they can close your bank account for any reasons. They can say maybe you're a threat to national security, for any type of reasons. And I know many people are saying, no, man, banks are the same and all of that. Even Capitec is good, our Standard Bank. Man, those banks, our FNB, Capitec, and all of that, yeah, they are in South Africa, but most of their holdings are Europeans. And by a bank that is owned by Africans, I mean the executives, the core of the bank needs to be African individuals or black people. At least that's when we can trust those banks to actually serve the people. A bank by the people, for the people. That's what we are looking for. We are not looking for banks that are already controlling the economy, making sure that black people are at the bottom. When you apply for a bond, it's more expensive than a European, because that's what banks are doing. We've already discovered that they charge Africans, black people, more interest. So if you are saying that Abo FNB, Capitec, Standard Bank, and ABSA are for African people, why are they charging African people more interest than Europeans? It's obviously it's not our bank, and there is no way they will feel sorry for us. So Abo Itala Bank, at least now they are going to give people their money. They are no longer getting liquidated. And Itala Bank, funny enough, is owned by the KZN, by KwaZulu Natal. So we need more African banks. Besides African Bank and Itala or Time Bank, we need more banks that